Webinars are the marketing tool that keeps on giving, but chances are you haven't held one or you don't hold them consistently, and that's not surprising. Holding a webinar can seem like a daunting task, and many businesses choose not to put in the effort. Now you can seamlessly prepare and host full webinars with an application that you are probably already using, Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams makes it easy to schedule and hold webinars directly from the application. Here are all the details that you need to know when posting a Teams webinar. First, you need to fill out your webinar background details. Next, choose the title that will grab the attention of the viewer. Make sure to add your presenters to the webinar. This doesn't mean just add your speaker, but add all of the people that you want to have as admins for the webinar, such as employees from your team. Set the time frame that works best for your webinar and make sure to select the correct time zone. Include your meeting details below so that admins have added context for your webinar. Next, you need to create your registration form. Add a banner image. This is important to define the personality of your webinar and position it as high quality for those who visit your registration page. The constraints of the banner image are 918 by 120 pixels, and it's best to add an image that isn't cluttered. Add your speakers. Make sure to include the name and biography of each speaker so that visitors can get an idea of your presenter's qualifications. Add your title to this form. Make sure the time frame and time zone on the registration form matches your background form. Add your description to this form for attendees. After working through each of these steps, you are ready to publish your Teams webinar. You will receive a registration link that, when clicked, leads directly to the registration page. And finally, you can locate your webinar by opening your Teams calendar and finding the date and time that you scheduled it for. When it comes time to host, use this area to start the webinar for attendees. Thanks for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions about Microsoft Teams or any of the technology at your business. We'll see you on the next one.